People carries almost on the water. It looks so. Yeah. 24-hour surveillance. And cameras gonna be open, we know. Yeah. All this is seawater. Yeah.
Crops climbing trees and things.
Yo, real water cannon through this space here. Water running going into his swamp.
Oh, yeah, don't be so close. There's no waste of water, man.
Yeah. Look at that. Yo, you see cannon through there? You do rather so, boy. Look, I'm more water still can, boy. Look at seafood shop there. You gotta get pork. You gotta get one of them things out there. Yeah, and the salt water, you see water still coming in. It still can in. Every time we have Brett go on land, more water. Huh? Sounds soft too, boy. Look at them waves there. Look. Water rough. That pipe there working. At least you could get a little water. At least you could get a little water. You know? Damn waves up. Water rough is still. Watch the crabs. Today ain't a day for swimming at all. Even the pipe that exposed out the ground there. Look, I know when I never see that pipe there yet. Huh? When I never see that pipe there, you see there? Okay. I never see that there with water yet. See that pipe there? You never see that in life. So you know all this sand and thing that was like here wash with.
Oh, water come far away, man.
Look at fucking tsunami. Look at fucking. You fucking see it up?
We know it's the walk forward,
Yeah. Okay. When he's walking, get to the reef and thing, this water rough is sky.
Look at them wheels. They tell me we're taller than you. Fucking idiot. They tell me we're taller than you.
This water like shit.
Oh, you getting that up, boy, tomorrow, boy, trying to get some footage going, black.
Yo.
I ain't looking for
all over there. Look.
Look at him. More water, I ain't risky.
Yeah. I ain't getting back in this scene anytime soon, boy. Then people gonna know God can't build back up more rocks and things, but yeah.